Today we're having a quick look at the LEE Seven5 Filter System, a compact drop-in filter system primarily designed for crop sensor DSLRs and CSCs. As the name suggests, the filters are just 75mm wide, so are significantly smaller than the well-known standard 100mm LEE filter system, and the Diminutive filter holder has been designed to sit as close to the camera lens as possible. It's made of a single piece of aluminium with the exception of the two modular nylon filter slots that are supplied as standard. And because of the smaller filter size, it will allow lens adapter rings up to a maximum of 72mm. So this is the largest lens diameter that you're going to be able to use. There's only one version of each filter ring available though. There are no wide angle variants, for example, as the slim filter holder and rings already sit very close to the lens to minimise vignetting, which you'll want to get onto shortly. They slide neatly into a wide lip on one side of the filter holder, and the sprung catch holds it securely in place. On the front of the filter holder, LEE have placed 4 round lugs, and these are designed to fit their polarising filter or their specially designed LEE Seven5 lens hood, and happily both of these accessories can be used at the same time. Think of all the customer inquiries I've had on this system, far and away the most common is how wide an angle can we actually use? So I brought some gear along today to try to demonstrate that. With Fuji's X series cameras, for example, we have an APS-C sensor with a 1.5 times crop. And with their 14mm 2.8 mounted to the front of the X-T2, this is giving me a 35mm equivalent focal length of 21mm. As we can see from the back of the camera, I'm getting no vignetting with this whatsoever, even if applying significant rotation to the filter holder, which you might have to do if using a graduated filter. If we move even wider to a 10 to 24mm lens, for example, this is going to give it its widest an equivalent of 15mm in 35mm terms. You can see from the images that this does give vignetting at 10mm, but it goes away by about 12 as long as the filter holder is straight. As I mentioned previously, however, the filter slots on this holder, just like the large 100mm system, are modular, so you can remove one of them and still be able to use a single filter and the polarizer, for example. In this configuration, 10 or 11mm is then much more usable without seeing the holder in your image. There's another big design principle of the LEE Seven5 system that I want to mention, as it's something that's often missed and something I've discussed with customers when they're looking to get into this system, and that's the fact that the graduated ND filters for this system are designed differently to those in the 100mm. The graduations for this system are designed for smaller sensor sizes, such as APS-C and micro four thirds. What this means is that the graduations in the 7.5 filters are harder edged relative to their 100mm counterparts, so that they change over a shorter physical distance across the filter. If you try to use a hard edge grad filter from the large 100mm system on, say, a micro four thirds sensor, the graduation is too large. It looks more like a soft edge because it's happening across a larger proportion of the sensor area. The 7.5 filters are more appropriate for the smaller sensors, especially for anyone using micro four thirds. Admittedly, LEE now do make very hard filters to allow 100mm system users to use their existing filter holders on smaller sensors or to use the widest focal lengths with no limitations at all. But if you're someone looking to get into a LEE filter system for the first time and are using exclusively smaller sensor cameras because of their lighter weight and size, then I would argue that the 7.5 system better matches the compact portable nature of these CSCs. The LEE Seven5 system is now fully fleshed out with a wide range of ND, grad and specialist filters available, as well as additional accessories for carrying and protection. For the full range, head over to wex.co.uk.